I'm Danielle Cook, and I want to welcome you to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very happy to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home gardening tips. Today's recipe is a corn chowder as a side dish, perfect for a cool early fall dinner. And we'll also pay a visit to Adrienne, the other cook sister, who's going to tell us why she's tearing up her summer garden. So let's get started. Begin by cutting up 3 small to medium red potatoes, about 2 cups worth. Drop the diced potato in boiling water and cook 8 to 10 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, fry your bacon. Cook the bacon till it's nice and crispy. Your potatoes should be tender when you poke them with a knife. Drain them and let them cool. Prepare your corn. Remove the outer husks from each cob. And then cut the kernels off each cob, which I like to do in a bowl with a serrated knife. To cook the corn, pour off all but 1 tablespoon of the baking drippings. Add your corn kernels, stir it well, and cook until golden yellow. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix our dressing. The dressing will consist of sour cream, scallions, apple cider vinegar, thyme, and smoked paprika. And don't forget a little salt and pepper. Some fresh chopped parsley adds a little flavor and lots of color to this dish. Now let's put it all together. Off the heat, add your potatoes, crumble your bacon, and add your dressing. Give it a good stir. As my mother used to say, don't forget the parsley. Yum! Now let's go see what Adrienne is doing with her summer garden.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. We have a lot of work to do today in the garden, preparing for the next big growing season of the year, the fall garden. As summer wanes, so too do cucumbers, squash, and early producing tomatoes. So this is the time of the year to start pulling up those spent plants. It'll provide room for collards and kale and garlic, cool weather crops that take you through the winter. Grab the last of those tomatoes before you take that plant out. Late producing tomato plants will still have some viable fruit on them. Those should be left alone so they can keep producing into fall. Cucumbers, like other warm weather varieties, are acutely responsive to changes in seasons. Shorter days, less sunshine, affect fruit development, the color of the leaves, and even pollination. Before you tackle the job of removing these vines, pick the last of the cucumbers. Immature fruits like these won't have time to mature before frost hits. Our cucumbers were a big hit this year, but they're done now, and I can already taste those winter greens.
Thanks so much for joining us today. We'll see you next week, where we will share some ideas on